Good morning, guys. Oh my goodness, I need to get up. I've been laying in bed for the last like 20 minutes since my alarm went off, and I'm like, I just need to go work out. I've been doing my morning walks, if you guys are friends with me on Snapchat, and love them. But I thought it'd be fun to kickstart the vlog just right when I wake up. We're gonna get this day rolling. I've never vlogged on a Monday, so happy Monday. It's the start of a fresh week. This is kind of like my Monday morning routine, but also just kind of an ordinary day in my life, but I love it. And we're just gonna get the day started. I fell asleep. Well, actually yesterday I put on waterproof mascara. I don't do that often, and I accidentally just grabbed the wrong tube and I couldn't get it off last night that well, and I kind of didn't really try that hard, so that's why we got some eyelashes popping this morning. My eyes are really itchy, so I probably should go take it off, but we're just gonna get my bed made, we're gonna get dressed, we're gonna go work out, and it's gonna be a great start to the day. First things first, I always turn all my lights on, and I like to drink a ton of water. I put this next to my bed every night, so it has cold water in it. I put ice cubes in it, and it's just a great way to wake up. So cheers! Another thing I like to do before I go to bed is to set out a workout outfit for the morning. It just makes getting dressed in the morning so much easier because you don't have to plan the fit, and it's just right here. So I'm gonna get dressed real quick. So I just finished making my bed and I got dressed, so I just have on this Lululemon sports bra. I have some Fabletics pink leggings on, favorite Nikes that I keep talking about, and I think this sweatshirt's like old from J. Crew, but I love it. And I just threw my hair in a messy bun, and I have my Hydro Flask filled with water, but I went downstairs and I mixed up in my blender bottle some amino energy, and it's like a energy pre-workout. So I slowly have been sipping this, and I love this pre-workout. I picked it up at Costco. It's called Amino Energy. I'll put a picture of it over here, but basically it's like 64 servings, which is the pro of getting it at Costco, because it's like you get 2 tubs for the price of 1 basically. I love it. It's, I think, blue raspberry lemonade, so it's definitely a different taste. I can't drink it every day because I get kind of like blah of the taste, but I really like it, and I love the energy that it gives to me. But it's also great for pre-workout. It's great for like laser focus, and then it also has this stuff in it that helps your muscles repair after working out, which is really cool. I would love to learn more about that kind of stuff, but I'm not really there yet in my life. But we are gonna go work out. So I posted to Snapchat my outfit, which I just shared with you guys, and I also put it on my Instagram story, which if you guys aren't following me, be sure to check out my Instagram. But I've been listening to Gals on the Go podcast, which I feel like I'm so late to the game on it. Super cute podcast. I love watching Brooke Michio's YouTube videos. So I recently just found out about Danielle, and she has been doing morning walks and calls them hot girl walks, and I love them. I've been doing a 20-minute walk every day for the last like week, 2 weeks honestly, and I feel like it's such a game changer. Like, I'm so motivated in the morning, but I get this great rush of energy, and it's just like the best way to start your day because you already get your workout done. So I'm gonna go do that. I have been kind of lazy and been working out at my house rather than at the gym, so we have a treadmill downstairs in the basement, so it's so nice because it takes all the like, oh, I don't really want to go, I don't want to go see people, and it's just nice because there's no excuses. Like, there's literally no reason for me not to do it. So I got my AirPods ready, and I'm going to show you guys what I've been listening to lately on my Spotify, and then we're going to head down to get my walk in. And I recently just created this playlist called Hot Girl Summer, and it's so random, but I love it. This is what I listen to when I go on my walk, and I just am obsessed with it. It's got like such random stuff on it, but I kind of skip and pick and choose and everything on it, but I felt like it was just fitting for our hot girl summer vibes. Alright you guys, I just finished my workout. I drank my whole Hydro Flask, and now it's time to get started on my morning routine, and then I'm gonna get dressed, but I'll show you guys what's on my to-do list. I always make a to-do list the night before, and today's is pretty massive. I have some things crossed off. I have my vlog planned out, I got my cell phone, got my drinks, and we also have lots of comments and emails to get back to business related. But every single morning I always start off with journaling and gratitude and like meditating and yoga and everything, and I've noticed it's been such a game changer just mentally for me. So we're gonna do that. I also read 10 minutes a day, and I just listen to like little like lo-fi beats while I'm doing it. So we're gonna do that. It's gonna be in my morning routine video that's coming out later this week, but I just want to share like a little behind the scenes of it. So I just finished up doing my morning routine and responding to emails and comments. I seriously love chit-chatting with you guys every single day, so I can't thank you guys enough for leaving such sweet comments. I feel like with daily videos, we've been chatting every single day and I love it. But it is time to do my makeup. I curled my hair too. It was curly yesterday, so I just kind of brushed it out and put some new curls in it. Absolutely love it. My hair is getting so long. Like when it's straight, it goes all the way down to here. And I'm like, I need to get a haircut soon. But we're gonna put some makeup on. I know I just mentioned it's gonna be like a chill day, but I need to film because I need to film a few videos for this week since I'm doing dailies, and I'm just gonna pre-film because this week is gonna be chaotically busy and I'm so excited about it. But I'm gonna put my makeup on for filming, and I got some Etsy orders that I need to pack up next, so we're gonna have like a little studio vlog going on. But I figured I'd put my makeup on. I don't really have any like new products that I've been using, but I'm just gonna set you guys over here. Got my little makeup mirror. I don't have any new products, and I'm going to be filming a get ready with me tomorrow. We're just going to put some music on and I'm going to watch a YouTube video. I think if you guys want to watch the same YouTube video as me, I have been obsessed with Fernandez. I think that's how you pronounce her name. She's so cute. I will have it linked down below, but she bought her dream wardrobe, so I'm so curious what it's going to be about. So I'm going to put this on and get my makeup on, and I will update you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, I just finished up my makeup, so we are gonna get my Etsy order shipped out today. I had 2 new orders today, which I'm seriously so grateful for. You guys seriously mean the world to me. Again, I have a coupon code, which is just at Kelly. You can get $3 off $12. I know it sounds really weird. I can't really figure out the whole like coupon code deal on Etsy, but definitely check it out. It's linked down below. It's just at Kellyprepster Studio. I have so much fun stuff over there and adding new inventory very soon, which is always so exciting, but we're gonna go over and get that stuff ready. Finished packing these 2 orders. Thank you to Julia and Maddie for ordering off my site. It seriously means the world to me, and your stuff is seriously so fun, and I can't wait for you guys to get it, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And I'm just so excited. So I'm going to get dressed because I am still in my workout clothes from this morning. I need to film 2 videos for sure because I'm filming tomorrow's, which is Tuesdays. It's my Talkative Tuesday series, and then I also need to film a video for later this week just to get it kind of scheduled and ready to go. So I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna share with you guys my outfit, and then after I'm done filming, I'm going to run to the post office and drop these in the little mail slot. It's just gonna be like a really busy but productive day, and I'm having so much fun bringing you guys along with me. So I just got dressed for today. I love this outfit. It's pretty simple, but I think it's really cute. My shirt is from J. Crew. It's like a fluorescent vintage cotton tee. I have on these white denim shorts from Shein, and then I just have on my white Palm Beach sandals. I think it's really cute. I just have on Daniel Wellington watch and sparkly bracelet, and then my little ring and my nails. Oh my god, this one shipped today. I'm so sad, but I love this color. I feel like it's so pretty. But that is today's look. I am wearing this shirt in today's episode of the podcast. So I think I mentioned in this vlog, if not I mentioned it yesterday on my daily video, that my boyfriend and I have a podcast. I will link it down below, but I'll also put a card to it. We were talking all about our fitness journey and our goals for our fitness journey, like because it's continuing, and we're just both really excited about it because we just launched our health and fitness podcast called Live for Today, and you should definitely go check it out, especially if you want like a nice 30-minute podcast. It's gonna be a great one. But I am going to run to the post office, and I also have a few errands to run. I think my mom's gonna tag along with me, which I'm really excited about, to chit chat and catch up. But that is the game plan. I will keep you guys updated, and then I'm thinking tonight, I don't have like any plans. I'm so excited. I'm either gonna sew some more because I got my Etsy orders ready, but just to get some new ones prepped. But I saw that Virgin River just dropped season 3 on Netflix, and I'm so excited, and that is like my sewing show, so hopefully that goes well. But we're gonna go run some errands now. I ran through the post office and got everything in the mail, but we went out to get my brother's girlfriend a birthday cake since we're having like a little birthday party tomorrow. You guys have to see how yummy these look. We've got like this little chocolate one. It kind of smeared on there, but it looks so good. And we got a lemon one, and like the packaging is just so cute, but doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness, I think she's gonna love them. It is around 8:15. I just got back from hanging out and shopping with my mom. It was seriously so much fun. We both agreed like this was such a fun way to spend the evening, and it was just so much fun. But I'm gonna go eat dinner soon with my family, and then I need to edit this vlog to get it up today. I know it's a later upload, but it's just what happens, I guess. I'm still getting used to the whole daily videos, which if you guys haven't already, definitely subscribe because we are doing daily videos for the month of July, which is crazy awesome. So much fun, and I really enjoyed bringing you guys along with me for a day in my life. I hope you guys found it entertaining. I would love to know in the comments down below because I want to film a Q&A video soon. So if you have any questions for me, let me know, but also let me know it for the Q&A. I feel like that would be so helpful since I respond back to every single comment. But I just hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am probably going to eat dinner, then edit this video. I need to post to Instagram, and then I'm probably gonna sew and watch Virgin River all night. Like, I'll keep you updated tomorrow with what I end up doing, but I think it's just gonna be such a fun, relaxing, chill night, and I'm just so happy I could bring you guys along with me all day. If you guys want to see more vlogs like this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys!